Hi, my name is John Walter, and this is the video tour of my professional e-portfolio for MIT 885, the Instructional Technology Program at Fort Hays State University. If you navigate to the candidate menu and click on that, you're going to see personal information about me with a video introduction, kind of my exploration stage of why I decided to pursue a Master's of Technology. Instructional technology, some personal and professional goals, and kind of where I see myself in the next few years. Additionally, you can read my technology philosophy, which is essentially that educators need to be focused on innovation and preparing students to be future ready. Next, I have a leadership philosophy, which is essentially my philosophy of leaders building community so that people feel invested as stakeholders, which is really important. And then you can view my professional resume and kind of outlines the work that I'm currently doing. If we move over to our activity evidence, the first tab is my professional development plan. I've laid out a plan for helping students that are employed by the Collegiate Media Group, the organization that I work for, know all of the technology needs that they'll need to fulfill their duties as student employees working for student media. I've also included 3 face-to-face Zoom trainings, one about podcasting, a second about Slack, a communication tool, and then third about posting to websites using WordPress. Additionally, I have included those just presentations, those slides here, so that people can access them and use those. Additionally, I have 3 article summaries, one about assistive technology, the second about incorporating podcasting into journalism education, and then the third about teaching students to shoot mobile video packages. And the last is my extra resources. This is one thing that I had a lot of fun with, is looking back over the classes that I've taken over the last several years and finding some of my favorite projects. There are 9 projects in here that include case studies, projects that I worked on, but the 2 things that I'm really proud of are the Diglit game that I prototyped using Adobe XD, which was a program that I wasn't familiar with but wanted to learn more about using, and then an interactive data visualization using open source software developed by Northwestern University. Those are 2 projects that I really kind of pushed myself to think about innovation and these kind of really new, interesting technologies. For the evaluation tab, if you go to the peer review form, you're going to find my internal peer review from my class partner, and then an external peer review from an educator friend of mine who also completed a master's degree through Fort Hays State University. So she is familiar with the processes of the college and the things that their master's programs require. And then last is my reflection. You can read my transference reflection about my experience in the practicum, as well as the Masters of Instructional Technology program. And then this video is going to be posted here for the video tour. So again, my name is John Walter, and I really appreciate the time. So thank you so much.